Welcome back, friends. Today we'll be sharing the 5 facts about the Statue of Unity. So let's go. It is the tallest statue in the world. With a height of 182 meters, it is twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. The construction time was fixed at 44 months, but it was completed in a record time of 33 months. It can withstand a wind velocity of 60 meters per second and an earthquake of 6.5 in the Richter scale. 5,700 metric tons of steel was used for its construction. The iron collected from the Loha campaign has been used for it. It is designed by Padmasri Ramsuthar, who also designed the Gandhi statue at the Parliament. The company Lawson & Tobo did the construction and maintenance work.